Hi, I'm Jessica from WyreStorm, bringing convenience to your installation. Now offering a number of pre-configured Luxul switches for use with NetworkHD 100, 200, and 400 series. When purchased through WyreStorm, select Luxul switch models are ready to go, creating the ultimate plug-and-play AV over IP solution. Whether the job calls for a large multi-switch topology or a simple single-switch design, WyreStorm offers the right switch for the application. After working with the WyreStorm design team to design your switch configuration, WyreStorm will custom configure all of the Luxul switches and routers for your exact project before they leave our office. And for single switch applications, WyreStorm will send you a pre-configured Luxul switch, all set for your NetworkHD install. In combination with the pre-configured Luxul switches, complete your NetworkHD system with a Luxul wireless router. These wireless routers provide great range and performance, especially when utilizing the NetworkHD Touch app for your iPad. Whether you need a simple wireless access point or advanced routing capabilities, these will surely do the trick. Using Domotz monitoring software with WyreStorm and Luxul has never been easier. You can purchase a Luxul router with a Domotz agent built in, or WyreStorm also offers a standalone agent as part of the Luxul solution. Pre-configured switches and Domotz support for monitoring are just two more ways WyreStorm makes NetworkHD installations fast and easy. Thanks for watching. Reach out to the WyreStorm Systems design team today, and don't waste another minute configuring your network for your installation. Learn more at WyreStorm.com.